Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you a quick story about how I lost all my photos. I had an old laptop from college and it was about to die, so I had to move all my photos off onto this temporary cloud storage. And from there, I had to I put them on temporary cloud storage and then I had them on a hard drive. So I did both those things, and my IT person helped me fix the computer. This is back in like 2008. And then I kind of put off my photos, didn't put them back on the computer because I wanted to wait till I got a new one. So once I got a new one, I was like, all right, finally, years later. And I then went to go log into that cloud server, and it was my boyfriend at the time's cloud server, and he said that he discontinued paying for it, so they were gone. I couldn't access any of it. I tried to contact the company, nothing. And the external hard drive, oh yeah, he gave it to his buddy who took it to a different state to overwrite it and use it for whatever project they were working on. So all that to say is that it's so important to organize and preserve your photos, and that's why I preach this. So check out, I have a Preserve and Organizing Your Photos webinar coming up. So check it out. You can register in the link on the bio. All right, or in below too. I'm doing Facebook and Instagram right now. So hope you guys keep protecting and preserving your photos.